cuties, it's your girl Kpcutie with another video. Today is day number, I think it's 8 of writer's prompt. Yay! We're on day number 8, guys. We're almost there of halfway. Not really halfway, but yeah, let's not say too much far in the future. Stay now and present, okay? But today is day number 8 of writer's prompt. And today our topic, before we enter the video, make sure you like, subscribe, don't forget to comment down below which part of the video you like, and also hit that little bell to be notified when I post a video. And don't forget to follow all my social media pages, link down in the description box below. And go follow my family's shop, which is newfest.net. If you're not subscribed to my channel, also go ahead and subscribe now to be a part of the Cutie fam, why not? And let's get into this video. Now since today's day 8 in the writer's prompt, so our topic of the day is dirty. Talk about getting covered in mud. I don't know, because ever since I as a kid, I usually be like either outside or you catch me in the house playing with my dolls. But when the times I do go outside, I usually be like either in the woods, play around there, because yeah, we have woods in the backyard, or if we're not having woods, we'd be outside playing in dirt, making like little sand castles but out of mud and stuff. So we'd be making like kind of like muddy sand castles. But yeah, I'm kind of like iffy. I'm not too all the way into like go outside and get dirty or to all the way stay inside the house. I'm like in between of both. Like I'll play outside for a while, but then I'll come back inside the house and play in there too. Like the only reason why most of the time I don't really play outside as much is because when I'm number one, I don't like sweating. Well, that's because that's when I start kicking into my girliness and stuff. So I like sweating, but I also I didn't like bugs. I didn't like bugs on me, but like I like to play with bugs though. Like especially like the little roly-poly things where you just like to have them and they roll up into a ball and you just play. I usually you can even ask my sister about this. I usually used to get every time I go outside and play outside, I usually get roly-poly and let it roll up into a little ball and just have it fall off my hand. Like I have like this and then just slowly fall, and that's how cool. That was like the highlight of my day. But also playing with my sister, and usually we play outside in the woods. One time, mud. Oh yeah, one time we was digging. Like we was trying to our mission was dig all the way to China. I don't know, or somewhere. We didn't know where we was gonna go to. We was thinking we can go here, then here, then here. So it was as soon as we woke up or as soon as the day started, when it was in the afternoon, we went outside and started digging in the dirt, all the way trying to. We got a pretty good amount of hole, but we never really fully accomplished it, as you can see. But it was fun though. It was really fun to go ahead and start digging and waiting for our trying to dig to our adventure that we wanted to go to. It was so exciting, fun, exciting to be basically able to go and have our own little adventures, because usually we like to think we're imaginary. We start thinking, oh, we're gonna go here and we're gonna do this and that, and we're gonna be wow, everything was basically a fairy tale in our heads. But it was fun as elastic we were like, usually me and my sister, we usually play a lot. And we even like one time, I think we was playing on camp outside until at nighttime it was like, okay. Even our mom was like, guys, come inside the house. It was not, because we was playing out like camping. I'm probably talking too fast for you guys, but we was like planning to go camping in the backyard in the woods, but that slowly dream died after we seen a snake. We was like, nah, this is not for us no more. We